Okay, first I start by sketching the unit and figuring out how I want it to look, the basic shape and whatnot. Then, more importantly, I draw it from the side, figuring out where all the parts go and how to fit everything into the depth that I have, in this case 1.5 inches. I then measure all the components I'm going to use, such as batteries, screens, and boards, and draw them into the computer. I then draw the cases around those things so I know it's all going to fit. I also add screw holes and other features. When everything lines up, I'm ready to make the parts. A Gerber Saber 408 CNC router uses the computer drawings to cut the parts out of a variety of materials. Here you can see the V-bit cutting a groove in what will become the front and back plates. After they are finished, the parts can then be removed from the stock. The 3/4 inch sidewalls for the unit are cut the same way. The control board, front plate, control risers, controls, control discs, screen riser, and screen plate are all routed and connected to look like this. The sides will be added later. Here's an Atari 4-switch motherboard. As you can see, it's too big for a portable, so we're going to have to modify it a little using a bandsaw. A lot of the stuff that's on the board I just don't need, and the things that I do need, such as the power regulator and extra joystick ports, I'll just wire back on later. The result is a 4-inch square that can be reactivated with ease. Here's the screen I use, a Casio EV670 Pocket TV. I follow all the important instructions, such as please remove this plastic thing before use, and then I open the unit and void my warranty anyway. Next, I desolder the power jacks and volume and brightness control knobs so they can be moved to new places on the unit. To save power and space, the LCD glasses are moved from the inverter and lamp, and 2 white LEDs provide light instead. Here's the modified TV with the relocated controls and the LED lights. The TV is then placed into the unit's casing. The Atari board is connected to the TV, control pad, power jacks, and joystick ports, and then inserted into the case as well. A grand total of 57 wires, 9 switches, 3 potentiometers, 3 resistors, 2 capacitors, and 1 voltage regulator have to be hand-connected to build a VCSp. The unit is then folded together and screwed tight. You insert a battery, then of course a cartridge, switch the thing on, and you're ready to play.